some common autoimmune disease, their causes, their symptoms, and why does this happen. Let's take all of that in this topic for today. Hi, I'm Pramila Gupta and I help people with autoimmune conditions to live a holistic lifestyle. So if you are going through an autoimmune disease, you can book a call with me by clicking on the link below and we can take it up from there. So let's begin. What causes autoimmune disease and what are some of the most commonly seen autoimmune conditions? So the first one is, we've already spoken a bit, but I would like to again begin with it, that what exactly are autoimmune conditions. So it is when your immune system starts attacking the healthy cells, thinking that they are these foreign invaders. So unlike other disease where external factors like bacteria or virus are the culprit, in autoimmune disease what happens is that your body itself starts targeting its own tissues or cells, and that is the reason that you can get an autoimmune disease, because the immune system, which is designed to protect the body against these harmful substances, instead of doing that, it gets confused and it starts attacking its own tissues in the body, which can raise inflammation and cause damage to various organs. So what are some of the most common autoimmune disease? Number one, which is rheumatoid arthritis. This causes joint pain, swelling, stiffness in the joints. This is because the immune system, it starts attacking the lining of the joint, and that leads to inflammation in the body. The second one is type 1 diabetes. In this, the insulin production gets affected because the immune system, it starts attacking the insulin producing cells in the pancreas, and this leads to high blood sugar levels. The third one is psoriasis, which is caused when you have these red, itchy, scaly patches on the skin. In this, the immune system, it speeds up the growth cycle of the skin cells, which is this kind of disease where you see these patches. The next one is Hashimoto's thyroid, in which there is an underactive thyroid. The immune system starts attacking the thyroid gland, and that affects the hormone production in the body. The last one is lupus. This affects various organs and it causes fatigue, joint pain, and skin rashes, amongst other varied kind of things that can happen with lupus. In this, the immune system, it attacks multiple organs and tissues in the body. So now we already know that this happens because the immune system has gone rogue and it's attacking its own body. But why does this happen? What is the cause of an autoimmune disease? So, well, there's no one cause why this happens. This is because of multiple reasons that it can happen. But the three main reasons that I'm going to be talking about is, first is the genetic factor. So you could have a genetic predisposition of an autoimmune condition. It could be passed through generation to you, or it could get, the gene could get triggered because of some kind of environmental factor. The second is an environmental trigger. So there are factors like infections that you could have got and which have not been cured, or that can trigger an autoimmune, or the stress levels that you are going through, or exposure to toxins and heavy metal. They can all trigger an autoimmune response in your body. The last is leaky gut or your gut health. So when your gut is not healthy, maybe because of the diet that you're having or because of the high stress level, which has caused the gut to become leaky and allow harmful substances to enter the bloodstream, and that can also trigger an autoimmune response. So these are all the reasons why you could get. There are so many reasons, and all of them, it takes a lot of time for it to get triggered, and it's not necessarily because of one reason. All of them and multiple things could be playing together, and that's the reason you could trigger an autoimmune in you. So what are some of the common symptoms that you can see if you have an autoimmune condition? There are so many different symptoms and it varies from person to person, but some of the most common ones are fatigue and joint pain, inflammation, feverish, rashes on the body, or digestive problems. All of these are the most common ones that you would see in an autoimmune condition. So like in rheumatoid, you see joint pain, swelling, and there are other things that you can see in other kind of diseases that we've already discussed. So if you are going through an autoimmune and you are looking to heal yourself, do comment below, or you can click on the link and you can book a call with me. That's it for now. Thank you.